All right, she finally arrived. Just gotta get her off. Guys, this is another reason why I need to get a shop. And I know you're like, why haven't you got one yet? But I'm not renting a shop. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm not gonna rent a shop. I'm gonna buy a shop. I'm gonna do it the right way. I want it to be mine at the end of the day. But check this out. We have a 2025 Explorer ST shipped all the way from Georgia for me to work on. I'm truly blessed. I mean, y'all tickle my fancy by doing all this stuff for me and just traveling all over the US, flying me out places. Like, I love you guys, truly. Like, I could not do this without y'all. I'm truly living my dream life, doing my dream job, and this is awesome. So we got a 2025 that was shipped here from Georgia. We're gonna be doing downpipes, intercooler, charge pipes. I mean, it's getting the works. It's getting a 93 tune from ZFG, and then we're gonna put it back on the truck and ship it right back. So really excited about this. It's awesome. All right, guys. Car's finally here. I actually placed say Tennessee for whatever reason. I thought he said he was from Georgia. Maybe I'm getting mixed up, but either way, it was shipped here to me, which is nuts. I'm gonna go in there and rest up, but it's gonna be a long day ahead of us tomorrow. We're gonna get all knocked out tomorrow and then start the tuning process. That way, when it goes off the trailer, he's just ready to rip. All right, guys, next day. My bad, this car's actually from Tennessee, like I said, but we've already started digging into it.
Another out of state.
Yep, from Tennessee.
Because we're the best in the nation.
Number one.
We either get flown out to location or they ship it to us and we take care of it.
Yes, like I said, we're very blessed and excited that people do this for us because this is a dream come true for me. This guy is just, he's here.
Race car side hustle.
It's a side hustle for him. This is my true passion. His too. He loves this stuff. Obviously, or else he wouldn't be here.
Hashtag health insurance.
But guys, it's a ton of fun. We have a blast doing what we do.
401k.
Yeah, 401k. But he's getting a bunch of goodies. All these boxes over here. We got all the FinFab stuff laid out. Thermals over there. So we're just going to start digging into it.
I want to see if anybody can take off a Ford Explorer front bumper faster than us. Because it looks like we're, 7.5 minutes from car parked in place, lifted, unbolted, ripped off.
Yep. And then it's about 15 minutes to this point for us. So it's like second nature at this point. We've done so many. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're going to dig into it and get Josiah his car running, looking beautiful. All right, guys, little update. We have the front springs in. We have the downpipes on. We have the whole engine bay put together. We got the CD-Fab intercooler, their charge pipe system, beautiful FinFab V2 intake with our sexy HSF strut bar, nice and thick. I'm gonna flip the camera on so y'all can see it a bit better. Bam, all black, looking like fucking Batman. Love it. But yeah, guys, this is going together really, really well. We just gotta put the bumper back on. We're gonna do the thermal and the rest of it tomorrow because obviously you can see it is late. It's about 8 o'clock here on a Thursday, so I don't want to piss off my neighbors. I like my neighbors. My neighbors like me, I believe. You know, so we're not gonna give them a reason to hate us even more if they already do. So just gonna wrap up the front for the night and then hit it back in the tomorrow, and then we'll go get an alignment and we'll start the tuning. One thing we did find out about this though is it is a rear-wheel drive ST, and it's something that like I've worked on a couple of them, but it's like I get so used to seeing the all-wheel drive ones. There's no axle. It's just crazy. All right, guys. Next day, I got a head start before Ryan showed up. We got the sway bar in, we got the tow arms in, AWR braces in, downpipes are finished, and then we're just bolting up the rest of the thermal right now. And then we're just gonna get the wheels on there, set her down, and we're gonna take her up the road, see if Michael has time for a quick alignment. That way we can make sure it's in spec for the customer that's all the way in Tennessee. I want him to pull this thing off the trailer and just drive it and enjoy it. I don't want him to have to do anything to it besides regular maintenance. Probably also gonna take that thing for a quick car wash. My buddy owns a detail shop, so we're gonna take it up there so he can detail it for him because this thing is filthy. It'll probably get dirty again on the transport truck, but hey, you know what? It showed up to us dirty. I don't want to send it back dirty. If it arrives dirty on the transport truck, I can't do nothing about that, but at least I can put it on the transport truck clean. All right, first startup.
right, guys, getting picked up and heading back to Josiah in Tennessee. Hope you enjoy it, buddy. It's driving great. This is a real drive model, guys. It feels like a big Mustang, honestly. And this thing's just, it sounds so good. Listen to that thermal. Oh yeah, she sounds good. Just like that. Oh yeah, she's beautiful, guys. Looks good with that sun right behind her. This is a cool trailer setup, but it's sketchy to me because it's so tall. Like, I'm 6 foot tall and this is up to my chest. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're good. I think it's just singing. Alright guys, that's it. She's all up on the trailer, heading to Josiah in Tennessee. So really truly hope he enjoys it. Car is driving fantastic, so I know he'll love it. This is, again guys, it's just a blessing that people would actually like ship me their cars for me to do their bolt-ons, tune it, dial it in, and just set it up perfectly for what they're looking for. I'm just lost for words, man. Like, y'all make me happy. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Love y'all. Later.